students. I hope you're having a great day. Today in your math group, you're going to be having quite a little bit of fun. Today you're going to learn how to make a screencast, much like the one that I'm recording on right now. So you can choose from a variety of different topics that you're going to do your screencast on. We want you to choose just one topic so that you can be really specific in your screencast and be able to teach that topic well. So I want you guys to imagine that you're teaching this topic to one of your friends who doesn't quite understand a certain topic in math, okay? So you guys can choose from comparing fractions. You can do a simplifying fractions screencast, or you could do an equivalent fractions screencast, or you could do an improper to mixed numbers screencast, or mixed numbers to improper fractions screencast. So these are the topics that you can choose from for your screencast. What you're going to do is you are going to make a lesson for your friends who are not quite understanding one of these things, okay? So choose one, make a lesson to teach them how to do it. All right, so when you're doing this, keep in mind that some people are going to be watching this that need to learn how to do this thing, okay? So you need to make sure your information is correct. If you're choosing to do a screencast about simplifying fractions, you're not going to tell them to find the least common multiple, are you? You're going to tell them to find the greatest common factor so that they can simplify. Your information must be correct because that's how you're going to be able to teach people. If your teacher stood up there and gave you a bunch of wrong information, you wouldn't know how to do the problem. So you need to make sure that you know what you're talking about and that you're saying the right words, okay? All right, so when you're finished with your screencast, what are you going to do? I will tell you what you are going to do. You are going to do IXL. So you need to log into your IXL account and work in IXL until class time is over. However, you shouldn't have a bunch of time left because we really want you to take your time and do a good job on these screencasts. We don't want you to buzz through them and make them sloppy. We want to save these and we want to put them on YouTube and so that other students can access them, okay? So really take your time and do a good job and try to do your very, very best. All right, so these are the steps you're going to take. First, you are going to watch the Doceri tutorial. We have a QR code that you will scan after you watch the remainder of this video. And that is just a little tiny video showing you some ins and outs of Doceri, which is the program that I'm using to make this screencast right now. So you're going to learn a little bit about Doceri before you make your screencast, which will help you make your screencast a little bit better. So watch the tutorial first. Second, after you watch the tutorial, you are going to make your screencast, okay? One hint that the person that did the video gives is that you need to make your whole lesson before you try to record because it's too hard to write and try to record at the same time. Plus, if you make a mistake, then it gets kind of sloppy. But if you make a mistake and you're not recording, it's fine. You just undo it and it's no big deal, okay? So make your screencast and do a good job. Third, you need to make sure it is good, okay? Make sure you did a good job on it. If you kind of watch it and you're thinking, yeah, I didn't do so good, do it again, okay? It's no big deal. We want to present ourselves well and we want to have accurate information and make sure that we're doing the best that we can, okay? And the fourth thing that you're going to do when you are finished is IXL. All right. You guys have fun doing these screencasts. I can't wait to watch them. I'm sure they're going to be excellent. And if you have any questions, ask your teacher, and good luck.